Your CapCut app might look fine, but the sound fade effect isn't working on your iPhone like it should. Most users think it's a bug, but it's usually just a small setting or glitch. This usually happens due to app bugs, outdated CapCut version, or incorrect audio settings. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut sound fade not working. So let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Check fade settings. So open up your project in CapCut, then select the audio clip. After that, tap fade. Now, adjust both fade in and fade out sliders. Preview the clip again to check if it works. Sometimes the fade is not applied until you adjust both sliders manually. Solution 2. Clear CapCut cache. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Clear Cache below. Then tap Confirm, and it's been cleared. Solution 3. Update the CapCut app. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type the app's name. Now find the app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. And now check whether it works or not. Hope your issue is fixed by now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.